Good morning, everyone. Today we celebrate International Moon Day. We look back to July 20, 1969, when humanity made history. That was the day Apollo 11 mission reached the moon, and Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on its surface. As he stepped down, he told the world, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." That moment showed us that with hard work and curiosity, anything is possible. Today, let the moon remind you to dream big and reach for the stars. Happy International Moon Day. Thank you.